Alright guys, we are here to discuss the Nitro Alternator. Let's see here. I got some notes I took over the winter. I've been testing it out and I really like the board. It's one of my affordable boards that I bought. It was $450. I don't know if the price has dropped. I'll look it up and I'll put a little thing up on it, but let me check out these notes that I made. So one of my favorite parts about it is the camber. It's a true camber from tip to tail. But yeah, from tip to tail, it's true camber. It's traditional and it's full. So with the directional twin that it has, it's able to go anywhere. It's all mountain, aggressive with it too. It's a free rider, and in my personal opinion, I've taken it to Steamboat, Copper, everywhere in between. I'll throw some videos in it, some examples if you're interested. And yeah, but let's get started with the pros. I love my butters, and this thing has been amazing. The pros are butters and flexibility that I'm going to be talking about right now. Can't beat it. I mean, right now I've tested a couple. I've tested a Solomon, an Eversummer, a Ride when I first started, but right now Nitro's where it's at. It's fun. It's made it more enjoyable, do more tricks, and just feels better for the feet too. Now, our next one that we're going to be talking about is jumping ability. I feel like you get more pop out of it, more jumping, more, you come up to that jump with energy. It feels like you're able to just maneuver it, move it around, have fun with that thing, and it makes it so much better, so much more fun if you really like that stuff. I'll let some air in because it's hot. I tried to do this review over at the fishing spot, but it got way too windy out, so I came back. So our next one is going to be the only con that I had, and that's it got a crack in the top board of it, the top little filament of it, and that was covered by warranty. So I'm going to be getting a 2027 Nitro Alternator to review next season. Get a lot of content with it. We're going to test it out. We're going to see how that goes, okay guys? And hopefully it goes good. If you like this sort of stuff, just feel free to give me a like and subscribe. I really enjoy it. I try to do this in between my jobs, my HVAC that I do. I'm just always busy, so thank you guys. I appreciate it. But yeah, it's the 2025-2026 Nitro Alternator that I have, and that's really all the cons that I've had. There's nothing else. I love the board. Yeah, I pair it with a Flux FX bindings. They're orange. Got some pictures. I'm gonna show them in here. It's beautiful, beautiful little combo. Makes it so much better, enjoyable to ride. I usually ride all mountain. I started with park, but all mountain I find way more fun in. You can do a lot more things. And plus, who doesn't like to rail slide a tree? And that's another thing. This thing, beautiful at that. I've tried to do it a couple times, but I've failed every single time, falling off. And I wasn't recording. I didn't record at the time, but let's see here. It has a reflex core profile, which is really nice. It gives extra action. You hit powder and it surfs. It doesn't want to drop into it. I mean, that butter too, that butter action, you just kick it up and you have fun with it. The spins, the toe edges, I'll throw a clip in where you just spin. You could just spin all day on it, and it's so fun. But yeah, I don't know. If you really are looking for a board, I would try out the Nitro Alternator. Between the warranty, the company, they're amazing guys. You're able to get a full lifetime one, like 10 years, I'm pretty sure, on it. And they just help out with so many more things. And if you're just in it for a budget board, you're not in it to spend a lot of money and just to have fun, try it out. It's going to get you out there, and if it gets you out there, that's all that matters. That's how I view it. Everyone needs to get out and enjoy that mountain, especially with the snow and how recent the climate change has been. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later. I'm gonna cut this little up, throw in some more edits, but yeah, I enjoy it, and I hope you guys enjoy it too. And I'm just giving you an honest, simple review. I really enjoy that board. I've taken it to places, taken it off of like 20-30 foot jumps, cliffs, and everything in between, and it's still been okay. So I would definitely recommend it, and try it out, guys. Have fun out there and let me know. All right.